Good morning. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I just came back from dropping off the kids at school, and before I get started, I'm having breakfast. And this is breakfast today. It's a small salad with egg. Yeah, I think I've been really bad these past couple of weeks. I've been eating out so freaking much. I need to get back to this. I'm so not ready to clean this freaking mess, guys. This is getting old very fast. This is what my kitchen is looking like right now. It's not too bad on this side, but man, can't be at work for 3 days because then this shit happens. And it's usually just the kitchen. It's not even that bad anywhere else, but just the kitchen itself takes me like an hour or more sometimes. I enjoy cleaning my house just so that it can stay clean, but when I'm cleaning every freaking day, I don't like it anymore. I freaking hate it. But it is what it is. I don't have a maid, so let's get started. Time for the most dreaded part, which is cleaning out this fridge. I'm just gonna throw away everything. I don't even want to go through everything. I'm just gonna throw it all away. Well, guys, I've been cleaning for at least 3 hours. That fridge was no joke. I didn't think it was gonna take me this long, and I haven't even finished. I still have a few more dishes to do. I have to clean the floors because I was just throwing everything on the floor. I don't even care right now. But it's been 3 hours, almost 4 actually, since I ate. So I'm gonna make myself something really quick because I'm starving. I've been eating out so freaking much that I actually don't feel like eating out anymore. And I never thought that could be possible. Because I woke up this morning and I was like, I'm hungry. What do I eat? Obviously, I didn't want to eat beans. We always eat beans. What the fuck? So I was thinking, what can I get myself? And there was nothing. There was nothing out there that I actually wanted to eat. So I just went to the grocery store, bought a bunch of stuff so I could make salads, and I feel like that's just what I'm gonna be eating for the next couple of days if I keep feeling this way. Which is a good thing because eating out is pretty expensive. It's so dumb. Also, look at what I got. These are freaking delicious. You guys need to try them. I get these from Winco, and they're chocolate cheesecake brownie bites. They're freaking delicious. Gonna have to hide them from my kids. I'm gonna go pick up the boys from school, and I'm also thinking of stopping by Hobby Lobby and seeing what they have. Hey there, stinky butt. How's go, puppy? This is my favorite store.
Oh, you're making a video.
I like this. I like that. Ooh. Definitely don't need more of these. I needed some spatulas, and oh, this is nice. Oh. But they don't have them. I guess they only have them during season. Whatever that means. This is the most dead mall I've ever been to. Do they? Where? Liar. Ooh, let's go check it out. I didn't find what I needed, so I just came home instead. And I found a package. Yay. I got this from Amazon the other day. Hopefully it fits all my cutlery. I'm gonna try it out. I mean, my knives are still kind of sticking up, but at least they're not, because every time I open and close my drawer, they would slide and they would go in through, as you can see, there's like gaps in there where they would just slide through, and then they would go to the back part and get stuck in there. So let's see how well this holds up. I obviously need more forks. I have like one freaking fork. Tell him he needs to come and clean his mess. I just cleaned. I am not cleaning after him. You better clean this.
I said I would.
You clean it right after you're done making your salad, not until you're done eating your salad. Do you like your salad?
Mm-hmm.
Why are you eating with chopsticks?
Because I can.
Oh, wow. I kicked your butt full. That was quite an experience cleaning that freezer. I don't know what spilled. And I hope it doesn't happen again because I did not enjoy cleaning that. Well, that's it for today. Until next time. Bye-bye.